Good morning. Welcome back to your morning sanctuary. Today, we build a shield of hydration. We wake the skin up gently, preparing it to face the environment while maintaining a flawless, glass-like reflection all day long. Step 1 is a cold water rinse. In the morning, you don't need a harsh cleanser that strips your skin's nighttime barrier. Ice-cold water instantly shocks the micro-blood vessels, reducing morning puffiness and tightening the pores naturally. Never wipe. Take a soft towel and gently pat, leaving a thin micro-layer of dampness on the surface. We need this moisture for our next step. We flood the canvas with a hydrating essence. Look for formulas with green tea or licorice root extract. This instantly calms any morning redness and floods the skin cells with antioxidant protection. Press the essence in with open palms. Feel the skin absorb the moisture. This creates the baseline plumpness that gives glass skin its signature, translucent depth. Step 2 is protection and brightness. We use a vitamin C serum. This is your skin's environmental armor. It neutralizes pollution and prevents the day's sunlight from creating dark spots. Use your ring fingers to tap the serum under your eyes and across your cheeks. Tapping stimulates local circulation, bringing fresh oxygen to the tissue for an instant, natural blush. Allow the vitamin C to sit for exactly 60 seconds before moving to the next layer. This gives the active antioxidants time to bind to the skin barrier without getting diluted by your moisturizer. Step 3 is your day hydration. Look for a lightweight, oil-free gel cream containing hyaluronic acid. Heavy creams can make you look greasy under midday light, but a gel cream locks in water while keeping the surface smooth. Look at that reflection. The light no longer gets absorbed by rough, dry skin texture. It bounces off a perfectly uniform, hydrated canvas. This is the glass skin threshold. Step 4 is the most important rule of glass skin: complete UV shielding. Use the 2-finger rule. Measure out 2 full lines of a broad-spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. No exceptions. Smooth it gently over your face, working your way down to the neck. Modern sunscreens are formulated to dry completely invisible, leaving no white cast, only a smooth, satin protective glaze. This SPF shield keeps your collagen from breaking down during the day. Without it, all your nighttime repair work is undone in minutes by the morning sun. Don't forget the lips. Apply a peptide-infused lip balm. The lips lack oil glands and dry out fastest during the day. Keeping them plump completes the healthy, glowing look. Internal hydration. Before you leave your room, drink a full glass of lukewarm water. Skincare can only do 50% of the work. The rest must come from flushing out overnight toxins from within. Take a deep breath. Drop your shoulders. Stress releases cortisol, which triggers oil spikes and breaks down skin clarity. Carry this calm with you into the day. If you have long hair, keep it loosely tied back during your morning commute. Hair products and oils rubbing against your cheeks throughout the day are a hidden cause of texture bumps. Test the bounce. Your skin should feel cool, springy, and thoroughly saturated. It is ready. It is protected. It is resilient. Your morning ritual is complete. It took only 5 minutes, but you have altered the course of your skin's day. Step out with confidence. Go forth and glow. You are radiant. Have a beautiful day.